Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about reusable Formik components. Till now, we have seen how to use Formik to make our work life easy to create forms in easy way and efficiently. So from this video, I'm going to take over the topics form component container, input field component, input text area, select, radio button, checkbox, date picker. These are the topics I'm going to cover in the upcoming videos. In this video, I'm going to explain about form component container. Let's start the practical demonstration. So now we are in the index page. I'm going to open the file explorer and I'm going to create a component. Component. Inside those components, I'm going to create a file called form container.js and I'm going to create a function and I'm going to import the function in the index page. Form container. So here we have successfully implemented the form container. So within this form container, I'm going to use the Formik import Formik from Formik Formik, and I'm going to remove this one and Formik Formik. Inside this Formik, we have to provide the form. So form, and we should import the form from Formik itself. Here form has been given and inside I'm going to provide one sample input tag input type text, and we can close here itself and name name and provide a label for those things. Label name HTML for name, and here also we have to provide a label. After this, I'm going to provide submit button type submit. Here I'm going to provide value button. After this, we have to provide initial values. Initial values inside object. Here we have created a name. So provide name empty values and validation schema. Here we have given the wrong way. Validation schema. Inside validation schema, first import import star as f from f. Get constant validation schema, and here f dot object, and we have to provide the values inside those things. So dot shape, inside shape we have to provide one curly braces, name, yep, dot string. Next dot required. So this is how we have to validate, and I'm going to provide the values required. So here we have created the validation schema. We have to place in the Formik. So validation schema, provide those validation schema inside here and provide on submit. Within this on submit, we are going to provide arrow function to get the values and solve the values. So here instead of input tag, I'm going to use replace the field value. Field. So let's change this one to field and field. And now I'm going to add error message and error message. So place it here and remove this one. Here I'm going to provide the name. So for every field it can show the proper error message. So I'm going to provide the component as a div tag. So let's start the terminal. Wait for a few seconds and it will trigger. You can see here the form. So I'm going to open the console and image submit. You can see the values. Here first of all close the terminal. Here we have created one form component and it has been imported in the index page. This is how we have to create a form container. In next video, I'm going to explain about how we have to create the input field containers. So we can choose the proper input from single component. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel.